Hello, mummies and daddies. I hope you're all doing well. I have two key messages for all of us today. The first one is to do with attendance. Attendance is so important for our sons and daughters. I'm noticing that many of us have excellent attendance, but a few of us don't have the attendance that we need. Now, just to give you some numbers, we have 182 school days in the year. To cover an English national curriculum, which normally in England takes 190 school days. Here, coupled with the fact that we have our ministry subjects, which take up about 27%, you can imagine the challenge you have as mothers and fathers, and we have as educators. If we then have our attendance lower, this has an impact on the academic outcomes of the students. The curriculum that we have to cover, that breadth and depth becomes a challenge. Please, please, please ensure your children attending school and any gaps in their learning is picked up by yourselves at home and school. The second message is we have our parent NPS survey, which will go live on Monday. Now, for new parents and existing parents, as a reminder, just to say a score of 9 and 10 is generally what all of you would give, because this means you are happy with the school. If you're not sure, then you may give a 7 or an 8, but this means you're a passive parent. And if you give lower than that, that means you're a detractor parent. This is tracked. And for you to understand, this will impact your class teacher wider within the school curriculum, should I say. Now, it's important for you to understand, me as a parent of the school itself, I might have one or things that I'm not happy with. As a parent, that happens. I can give examples of that for my own sons, some of the activities that they might not be on. I might be annoyed with something, maybe a certain day. I don't have the communication from the school like it's supposed to be. That's one component. But that should not be at the detriment of the 95, 96, 97% of things that I am happy with. It should not impact that. I have to regulate my emotions and what we give to the school, because it will impact my son, in my case, my son's teacher. So please be balanced and fair in your response when it comes to that. Do not leave this as a time to put your comments. Please do put comments, but you know you have access to us at any point through our Happy Meets with myself, my team, and you can email the heads of years and classroom teachers with day-to-day things that we can improve. And of course, we have brought in this year the Happy Majlis, which is also where your class reps can support in improving things across the school. Please do encourage that. I look forward to seeing many 9s and 10s, and you can give a 9 and a 10 and a comment too. That's what I generally tend to do. I'll give a 9 if I feel as though mostly things are broadly aligned, and I'll give a few comments as well to see what I can improve in my school, our community school. Please do this as well and support your class teacher, support your subject teachers, and support the wider school. Right, I'm outside here. It's a nice day. I have students walking past me. I have parents here as well. Do come to school, enjoy the facilities. As parents, you may decide in the morning after you drop your sons and daughters off to have your meetings here from the cafes. You are allowed to do this and use that school in that particular way. Some up and coming dates as reminders: Monday and Tuesday, the 26th and 27th, from year 7 to year 13, we will have our academic review days. On the 27th, which is a Tuesday, in our Forest School, we have our science workshop, which will take place at 2:05 at the Forest School Library. Come to this. And Wednesday, Thursday, the 28th, 29th, which will have the Aladdin Junior School production. 28th is when the show will begin at 6 o'clock, and 29th at 6:30 p.m. Come through, girls. Don't mind us. We're only doing a video for your mums and dads. Students, what can I say, eh? And then finally, Saturday the 31st, we have our Family First Carnival from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. I expect all mummies and daddies, aunties and uncles, brothers and sisters, and the neighbors coming to this event. #community.